Um, my name is Jody, Jody Cooper, and I am a deputy with the LaFleur County Sheriff's Office. And through the Sheriff's Office, my duty station is the school resource officer for a rural school here in LaFleur County. The name of the school is Howe, Howe schools. Every time we catch a student vaping, I use a test on the vape. I just don't take their word for it. Sadly to say, a lot of students that you catch vaping are not going to tell you the truth. That you say, okay, what's in it? Oh, it's just nicotine, and um, and it may say that, but we also know that there's lots of YouTube videos out there that show kids and show adults how to refill those pods with something besides just a nicotine product. And just the other day, we had a canine come to one of the deputies brought their canine. Canine alerted on a student's backpack, searched the backpack, and we did find some pods in the backpack. And one of the pods did test positive using the one of the SwabTek kits. They're very simple to use. I still keep a copy of the instructions laid out, I review it every time before I use it to make sure that I can say this is my protocol on using one. I review the instructions and lay it out, and the kids know. So word of mouth has helped because kids talk, and if and we tell them the ones that we've caught, we tell them we're going to test it. The few that we've had test positive, when it comes into the office, we lay it out, we show the student, here it is, here's how it works. So when they go back, they talk. Yeah, they caught me. Well, how did they know? Well, they did this test, and I got to see it, type deal. So word of mouth is helping keep anyway at least the vapes with THC components or cannabis components off of campus, or at least hidden in their vehicles anyway. It is a very useful tool when the principal calls the parents of this student, and we always have them come down, to be able to have something in our hand that we can show the parent, this is what we caught in the vape that your student, who's underage anyway, had. Instead of being real defensive, we just lay it out. Here it is, and here's how the test works. But I usually save the color of the card, and it becomes a permanent part of my file if it has tested positive. And like I say, being able to produce it to the parents, it's not bulky, it's easy to carry around and say, here it is, has helped get the support of the parents anyway. Yeah, we caught their student, doing something they weren't supposed to. To me, it's a very convenient tool to have, especially if you're a school resource officer working on a school campus where, like in Oklahoma, the minimum age, well, it's at the federal level too, is 21. So everybody on your campus is underage. So everybody's a potential target, for a violation because they'll pass them around. So it's really convenient, even if you suspect it as the school resource officer, to test it.